We're recording this time. I want to hear her sing. That's more important than anything. Ooh, look at this evil looking thing. What is it?
Oh, my panther?
Are you a caddy? She's not even slightly scared. She's like, one step closer, I'll mess you up.
Lucy, I'm home.
That's a cow. That's not Lucy. How could you not? Oh. Hi, Lucy. Hi. Oh, who's a good girl? You are. She only wants you to touch her. She don't want me to touch her.
Oh, sorry, Lucy. Sorry, I was busy on the phone. Yes. Okay, no kisses in front of the guests. No kisses in front of the guests. I don't have any carrots on me right now. I just got home from work. Oh, you mad now? Oh, you mad now?